Good morning guys and welcome to day 16 of our adventure. It's 7 a.m. and we decided to walk around Marrakesh Medina while it's not so crowded and most importantly not so hot. Almost our shops still closed, so it's very calm and chill, unlike yesterday when it was so crowded that you almost can't walk. Around Marrakesh there is a lot of beautiful places, touristic attractions like mountains, monkey forests, waterfalls, deserts, ancient cities, but unfortunately on this trip we doesn't have enough time to visit all of them. So tonight we're gonna go to Fes, and if you're gonna have more time in Morocco and especially in Marrakesh area, you definitely should visit at least few of them. Our hotel located in very random place. You just walk in here, no any sign, no any posters, just some doors, and we have a key. We just open it like this. We have breakfast. And this little dude have breakfast as well. From Marrakesh to Fes it's about 500 kilometers, and by bus it will took us about 9 hours here. So we pretty much spend all day on the road, and I don't know if we will be able to show you something cool today. Bus price should be about 20-25 bucks for one person from Marrakesh to Fes, and you don't need to buy ticket in advance to get better price. So we will just go to the bus station and find the bus, and our mission to find the bus with the AC. We got the tickets. This one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so we can go inside. It's at 10:15, right? Or something. Okay, thank you. All good?
ما كاتبين لا الساعة لا والو. ما عرفناش واش الطون.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what, but something happened with our tickets, so we need to wait. They will issue another one. Okay, we got the tickets, but we won't go directly from Marrakesh to Fes. We will do stopover in Rabat, and the reason is that there is no bus with AC in next couple hours to Fes. So we're just gonna switch the bus in Rabat, and it will be almost the same time. The tickets cost 200 for two. It's like $22, so $11 for one person. And from Rabat to Fes it will be almost the same price or a bit cheaper. It's been 7 hours since we took the first bus from Marrakesh to Fes. That's already second bus, and the price from Rabat to Fes it's 65 dirham, so in total it's 165 for one person, which is about 20 bucks. The second bus is also very comfy. It has AC and it's not hot at all. So the road long but pretty comfy, and I hope we will get to Fes even before sunset. Right now we head into the old part of Fes, the Medina, which is surrounded by these huge fortress walls.
It's a very beautiful time of the day, right before the sunset. I love those palms and also birds. They're all around here.
Yes, and it's not very hot already because we check it on weather. It's supposed to be plus 38 as well. Yeah. We have, yes. Thank you. Yeah. No, thank you. Oh, that's the first time the guy offer us wheat. Like, I know about Moroccan gashish, like it's very famous, but nobody offered it before now. And we just arrived to Fes, and the first guy who speak with us offered. Let's go inside. It was so empty outside and so crowded.
Here. Like a party. You can buy everything here.
Yeah.
Shoes, watches, fruits, some clothes. Like everything I think you can find here.
Yeah, like in every Medina, which has bazaar. Like I think the whole Medina is kind of huge bazaar. But here it looks not so fancy and organized like in Marrakesh. Maybe it's just the beginning. I believe inside it will be more shops and stores and they will look better. But now it's just like chaotic one. We need to find exchange first because we spent almost all our money for the buses and we need to get some food, and as I told you, there is no way to pay by card in any single shop in the Medina. So we really need to find exchange, and I hope it's still open because it's 7 p.m. and many this kind of shops already closed. Okay, the currency exchange is already closed, but it's located near these great walls and some touristic. Okay, let's go and find another one. You want a Turkish coffee? Or you?
Tomorrow.
Okay, I thought you will tell I'm gonna go to Turkey to try Turkish coffee.
Yeah, that will happen later.
And when you go deeper to the Medina, the streets looks better and they are more narrow than in Marrakesh, for sure. The praying time starts right after sunset, and it's really cool atmosphere here. Oh, you want this backpack? Just to fit something. It's just a bit smaller than ours.
Perfect size.
Yeah.
The houses here in Medina are so old that they're starting to lean. The locals prop them up with wooden beams to keep them from collapsing.
Okay, this is our hotel in Fes. The room is pretty huge. I'm gonna show it to you right now. This is the bathroom. And very cool bed. The air conditioner, which is one of the most important thing here in Fes, with plus 39. And it's very clean, very wide, but unfortunately I don't see any window. Hopefully it will be fine because we tired so much, so we don't want to with the time to change the place. And the price is only $30. So guys, day 16 is over, and I'll be honest with you, it was pretty complicated and boring day because most part of it we spent in a bus. It took us 8 hours to get from Marrakesh to Fes. So we're gonna have some rest, and tomorrow we're gonna show you a lot of great places in Fes. See ya, bye.